Welcome back to Good Morning Colorado. We're taking a look at Breckenridge this morning. Oh, nice enough looking. We got that sun shining brightly. Let's get a check on the weather forecast from Checker 13's Marty V. Marty, good morning. How are things shaping up on our Mother's Day?
Hey, good morning, Krishana. Good morning, everybody. Happy Mother's Day. Beautifully, actually. A lot of blue skies, just crisp out there. Thought this view was worth taking another look at. You can see the moon out there in the western sky. Hasn't yet set behind the mountains as viewed from our Seas Paint Supply camera. We do have a light breeze generally out of the south or southeast this morning. This is going to pick up to between 10 and 20 miles an hour with a few gusts a little higher than that. So not as gusty as yesterday, but I still think we'll have a pretty noticeable wind at times as we move into the afternoon. Right now, a lot of 30s in eastern Colorado. Lyman's down to 26. We have 20s across the mountains and mountain valleys, so it is a little bit chilly this morning, and we do expect it'll be a little bit slow to warm too. So if you head out early this morning, make sure you keep a coat with you, and I'd probably hang on to it into the afternoon just because of the wind. Notice FUTURECAST shows some clouds building over the mountains by 4 o'clock, and the green on the map suggesting some showers and maybe some thunderstorms, primarily focused near the Colorado-New Mexico state line. I couldn't rule out a quick sprinkle or a little shower maybe around the Pikes Peak region as well as we head into the evening hours, but we don't expect a lot of that farther north. High temperatures today, pretty much on par with yesterday, with 60s to around 70 in the southern part of the state. We'll look for 50s up across the mountains, 70s for the southern valleys. We'll probably have for much of the day 50s on the higher terrain around the Pikes Peak region. And then again, we couldn't rule out a quick shower up here around the Pikes Peak region this evening, though more of that looks to be a little farther south. Really nowhere are we expecting a ton of rain today, but those chances for showers and a little thunder definitely better over our southernmost areas. As we head through the night tonight, we'll notice a few showers begin to break out over the mountains, and then by late tonight, a mixture of some rain and snow starting to move across the Continental Divide, while in eastern Colorado, we'll have some low clouds and maybe some patchy fog as some low-level moisture returns to the area. One of the good things about that is it won't allow our temperatures to get as chilly, so we shouldn't have temperatures around freezing in eastern Colorado. We shouldn't have any frost, but it could be a little gray tomorrow morning when some of you wake up. Look for temperatures in the 30s and 40s for most areas. So as I mentioned, regardless of where you're at, it won't be as cool as it was this morning, I think, in many cases. We got a lot of blue sky out there right now. That's the view from our WireNet camera. Looking back across Pikes Peak, I don't see any clouds out there at the moment. It's always a pretty shot. Always nice to see the trees in the foreground, and again, they're not blowing around too much this morning. We'll continue to track chances for some spotty showers and thunderstorms over the next several days. We are going to warm up some through the middle of the week. We'll still have some wind to fight with, as we always do this time of year. We'll have those details in the extended forecast coming up soon.
Yeah, it is way less windy today, that's for sure.
Yeah, the wind just, I mean, it was nice at times yesterday, like if you were out in the sun and like hiding from the wind somehow behind a house or whatever it was, but man, the wind can just put a real damper on the day.
So cold. Okay, and have you heard of these murder hornets?
I have heard some whispering about this, yes.
Like, what are these? Why are they infiltrating?